Hi guys, so I'm here at Shred the Shires 2025 out in Royston near Cambridge in the UK. Arguably the UK's biggest one-wheel event. I'm going to show you some highlights. I was here for the Saturday and just wanted to show you a few sort of clips and stuff that I took of it. I'm not competing, hoping to do that next year. Big shout out to Mark and the team that runs this. Absolutely amazing event. Biggest shout out to Vinny as well. Good to meet you in person. But on with some clips.